Oh, my eyes are burning already. Hey there, friends. Today feels like a great day to burn off some of those nose hairs by making some horseradish, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. You should probably make sure you're in a very well ventilated space. I am in a little bit of a tiny space. We'll crack this window right here and let's get to it. So what you're gonna need for today is you're gonna need a knife. Well, actually you're gonna need horseradish first. And I harvested this horseradish root after only 1 year, so it's not super thick in spots. If you want your horseradish root to have big, thick roots, you need to leave it for longer than a year. I was anxious and wanted to get this harvested this year, so that's what I did. After you've harvested your horseradish, you're gonna want to wash it up. So to wash it, I just scraped off all the little bubbly bits and made sure all the dirt was off. Some of it I grated, like this piece I had to grate a little bit because it just had a lot more stuff going on. But generally, you just want it to be clean. So you need your horseradish washed and ready. You need a knife to be able to chop it into smaller pieces. We're gonna add sugar into our recipe because that is the recipe that my grandparents used to do. And this video is dedicated to my late grandparents who taught me all sorts of homesteading things that I didn't appreciate at the time, that now that I'm older and they have passed, I wish that they were around to be able to ask some questions. But I did learn lots from them, even though I feel like I was resistant to that learning at times. But I really appreciate the times I spent on the farm with them. So this video is for them. So as I said, you're gonna need sugar. You're gonna need some vinegar. I have just our regular white vinegar. And I also have some apple cider vinegar. Now my grandmother would use regular vinegar. So I'm going to do her traditional recipe with regular vinegar, but I'm also going to do a little bit of the apple cider vinegar because I like apple cider vinegar. And I have a little bit of water, which if I need to dilute, if it gets too thick, that's what I'm going to do. You also need some jars. I'm assuming this is going to be big enough for what I need. And then I have a little jar here for my little sample test with the apple cider vinegar. The window is open. We are ready. Oh, you also need a food processor or a blender or something. And I probably should get some tissues because I feel like my eyes are going to be burning soon. First thing we're going to do with our horseradish is cut it into smaller pieces so that our blender can handle those pieces a lot better. And I can already smell this. It is very pungent. We're going to put this into our blender. Maybe even open that window just a little bit more. If you're wondering why I am in a tiny house, aka an RV, it's because I haven't built my house yet. And I am building a house out of hempcrete. So if that kind of thing interests you, please subscribe to my channel because those videos are going to be coming out fairly soon, in a couple months, as soon as I get my building permits. It's happening. Okay, so to get started, I'm going to add a little bit of water just to help the blending process. So let's give it a whirl. Now, you know this is going to be bad. I know this is going to be bad. We know this is going to be bad. So, windows open. The breeze, unfortunately, seems to be coming in. So, be smarter than me when you do this. I think it needs a little bit more blending. Close it back up. You need something else. You need a scraper to be able to scrape down the sides. I'm going to grab that now. These little things are my absolute favorite tool in the kitchen because they help you get the last of the peanut butter or the last of anything out of the jar. So do not stick your head directly over the blender. Do not smell. Resist the urge to take a whiff. Oh my gosh, my eyes are already burning. Definitely want it to be a little more finely ground. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Whew. Oh baby. We're gonna move away this way a little bit. Okay, scrape down your sides, resist the urge to take a sniff. Okay, it's still fairly chunky, but oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Put the lid back on as quickly as possible. Oh, my eyes are burning already. So you might be wondering why I'm not adding the vinegar right away, and it's because the vinegar will reduce the strength of the horseradish. So if you want really strong horseradish that just kicks you right in the back of the head, you don't want to add your vinegar right away. If you got a bunch of family of wimps and they don't like really strong spicy stuff, they just want to look like they like horseradish, or you want it to be more like the stuff you buy in the stores that is not as strong, then you want to add your vinegar right away. So I'm letting this sit, just letting it chill out, get a little punginess going on to it. Punginess. Now, you definitely do not want to leave the lid off for too long because that is strong. I'm going to add a little sprinkle of sugar. Oh my God, my eyes. Oh my God, my eyes. I'm just doing whatever this amount is, almost a tablespoon, a teaspoon. my god, my eyes. Oh my god, my eyeballs. Have you had LASIK eye surgery? Do you find your eyes are like super sensitive since that surgery? My eyes are super sensitive since that surgery. If you've had LASIK and you can also not cut onions or do anything, like even swimming in the ocean with salt is like, ugh. Let me know in the comments below. Is it just me? Is this normal? I don't know. We're gonna add some vinegar. Take out a little, oh my gosh, my eyeballs. Oh my god, my eyes. We're gonna put that lid back on and take a moment here. Blink away, blink it away. Whew. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. We could do this. You could do this. You could do it. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just seal it up. Just seal it up. I do gotta put a little bit of vinegar in that one. Oh, my eyes. Ooh, maybe that was too much vinegar. I gotta add more. I gotta add more horseradish to that. Okay. Apple cider vinegar, horseradish. I should blend this up. Maybe I'll blend it up after I blend the other stuff. I'm actually gonna pour a little bit of vinegar in here. This is still quite chunky. I can see that there's longer pieces in it if you look real close on there. So I'm gonna dilute it more with her. Add the vinegar now. Let's add a little bit of vinegar. Oh my god. That was a bad one. It was right in my eye. We're gonna blend this until it is nice and creamy, and I believe that's enough for the vinegar. So we're just gonna cover and blend. Okay, that's looking much better. Okay, oh my god. We're gonna let that air out a little bit. Okay, I just got a funnel so I can funnel it. I gave it a quick wash. You wanna make sure everything is sanitized so that you're not adding any bad stuff into here. Vinegar is pretty good at keeping stuff clean, but this is the consistency it's looking like. How much? This much? It's always less than you think you should do. Maybe that much. Oh, she's hot. Yeah, but not bad. A little more. Oh yeah, that hits you. Hits you right in the back of the head. I want to add a little bit more sugar because I like that the horseradish is a little bit sweet. So this little extra bit of sugar is definitely for my grandpa. He had a sweet tooth. Oh, do not put your face over top of that. Oh, we're getting bolder. Oh yeah, there it is. Oh my gosh. It just like, it's kind of addicting a little bit how it goes straight through your nose all the way to the back of the head. That's good. That is very good. She is ready. Whew. And there we go, horseradish. I'm just gonna do a quick test of the horseradish with the apple cider vinegar. Oh my god. That was so strong. Okay. That one is very strong. That one's very, very strong. Can you tell? Am I crying? This one's good. Very strong. Okay, now I have another little jar of horseradish with the apple cider vinegar. And there we have it. Our 2 horseradishes. And it wasn't even that bad. Like, I don't even think my mascara ran, did it? Window, always a good idea. A fan blowing this way would have been an even better idea. And a big thank you to my late grandparents for teaching me how to find wild horseradish and harvest it and make delicious horseradish. I do remember making it with them one time on the farm, and yeah, so this video is definitely inspired by them and dedicated to them. If you happen to be a grandparent watching this video and you're trying to pass on these essential life skills to your children, such as homesteading, growing your own food, harvesting, foraging, all of that kind of stuff, and they're not appreciated at the time, keep doing it. Keep making them, going into your garden, teaching them how to braid those onions, because you just never know when they will want to use those skills. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.